Today in the shop, we're basically creating a one-of-a-kind C10 pickup truck. And if there's ever been a vehicle that I have owned that I want exhaust cutouts on, it's going to be this one right here. Now, exhaust cutouts usually basically just take a piece of pipe, you cut it out, and you put this little cutout on it with an electronic valve. But there is a better option, and that is a valved exhaust system or a valved muffler from Valvetronic Designs. Now, the way that this exhaust system works is it essentially is designed to replace the muffler in your exhaust. And then you have this small electronic box that's mounted inside the car, so all the electronics are nice and safe inside. And then there is a pneumatic or basically vacuum actuated motor mounted to the muffler. The way it works is when the valve is closed, the exhaust gas is going to come into the muffler, going to go through the stainless chamber and out through the back. But when you want to have that nice, loud, throaty exhaust, you simply hit the button on your remote. The electronics will activate a small vacuum pump. These small vacuum lines run down to this valve, and it will open up the valve that is inside this pipe. And therefore, your exhaust gases are now bypassing this stainless chambered muffler and exiting right out the back. It's perfect for when you really want that loud exhaust sound, but sometimes you don't. Maybe you're driving your classic C10 swapped pre-runner back into the campground late at night. You don't want to wake up everybody. You'd simply shut it down and keep it nice and quiet. But when it's time to go out and tear up the dunes, you're going to open it up and let it breathe.